All right. Oh, that was pretty loud. Doing pretty good. Let me just make sure my. Oh, that was pretty loud. Doing pretty good. Let me just make sure my. Hopefully this fixes it. Hopefully I'm not too loud. What's up, Journey? Yeah, I'm doing good. Gotta get a few hours in on this. Trying to crunch this out. Be at some sort of stage. Music is a bit loud on my end. Can't think. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to fine tune that. Let me see. Yeah, every time I hear the playback, I hear too much gain. And I think that's because I have like an upward compressor. Maybe if I lower the gain a little bit. That should be a little bit better. I just don't want to be too low. Test, test, test. Test. Yeah, I think that's good. Just a bit higher. All right. Test, test, test. Perf. Yeah, I've been struggling on trying to find like the best output. Like I was getting between too much gain and like too little sound. So I sometimes just up that gain just to get it there, but hopefully this works this time. Yeah, disregard the congestion. I just got back from being really sick. Well, not really sick, just a minor cold. But all right, cool. So we're just gonna get started. And I have to remember where I left off. Let me just take a quick look. I believe we're within, I think we're here. I think we got our, yeah, okay. So we've been implementing our invite workflow. Essentially, we need to invite users to our platform. We're either gonna send an invite email if they don't exist within our database, and if they do exist, we'll just essentially invite them to the organization where they would have to accept internally within some sort of means, maybe through notification or through an inbox of some sort. But yeah, this is it's a pretty hefty part of the workflow, which there's going to be a lot of working parts for the most part. So I'm just going to try to get this crunched down and get a working prototype out by end of today. So we're sending the email, we're checking to see if it exists already. Checking by status, all right, if it already exists, we're gonna shoot out this error. We need to handle this error on the front end, provide some fancy messaging. There is an issue though. Let's open up our manager, our database manager real quick. This window. All right, so we're adding this. So we're running into an error though. Display. Oh, organization ID. Yeah, that's where we left off. We essentially need to map the organization and or the project ID. Depending on what information they're passing along with the request, it'll determine at what level we're adding the user. So if there's a project ID associated to the requests, we're gonna associate to the project that they're specifying. If they're only providing the organization ID with the request, then we're gonna associate them to all the projects for that organization, just to keep it simple. There's really not much user access we can do at this time. It's either they have access to the project or the organization. And I mean, we could kind of, within the project level, we could get a bit more granular and only give them access to like particular environments like development, staging, and production. So that may be what we have to work on actually. So we're here, we're in the organization level. Yeah, these particular workflows get a bit hefty. The idea is to like break it down into small chunks and just try to like complete them that way versus just trying to like overload your brain and try to tackle everything. It's just we have to figure out a entry point. And I think we're at the point where we have to finish the invitation process. We have to add them to the invitation table, and then we could start using that data. Right now we're missing the organization ID, so we have to fix that first. All right, so So how does this look in our front end? We kind of need to inject our organization information here. So tables, project columns, and projects. We're querying that data here. So we should be able to, we're making that request here. We're loading the projects here. See this organization here. And then we have our organization ID here. And here's where we're loading our projects. So at these points, we could set a global organization ID variable, which we could pass to our child component. Right. We're kind of setting it to our form already. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely not the right thing. Yeah, instead of passing the UID, we'll just do that. Projects. At this point, we're already in. We're already setting that. And in cancel, let's just reset that. So we should be setting that properly. Let's change this to be organization, just so we have access to everything, just in case you want to also incorporate other contexts or metadata within this component. We could do so. Organization. So if we invite, we also want to oh yeah, I changed that. Organization ID. We're always sending that. The one that's going to be kind of null will be null. Is oh yeah, you're totally right. I always forget to turn that off. That's fine. Appreciate that shout out. Yeah, I forgot to do that sometimes. All right, so we're inviting. Project ID will be a nullable variable. So we'll just, we're setting that, then we'll set project ID. I mean, it should be smart enough. Wait, it's okay. So yeah, the proto-gen is just not anticipating a null reference. View org. Add. Oh. Actually, This is the reference we want. We don't want the code gen. Yeah, we could fix that. View org. No, that's right. This is strange. Organization ID string. Add user. Oh. Yeah, here we go. So what we're looking for is the one in this import. There we go. Expected 3. That's fair. Yeah, this is fair right here. No, that's right. What we have to do is go to our view, organization. There we go. Much better. All right, now we're passing that. We should probably be adding this. Let's make some adjustments here. Success. Yeah, that's being displayed. Now, if we do this again, invite has already been sent to this user, which is perfect. We need to display some messaging for that. We'll go ahead and remove this now. Upon adding, we also need to check if it's not an email, which we could do afterwards. We have our user here. I'll clean that up a bit. Just want to make sure we're resetting things. Perfect. All right, we're doing this, we're adding user, we're resetting. I think it's about time for us to remove our hard-coded states. Now I'm going crazy. Oh. Yeah, no, that makes sense. Silly me. Yeah, I was doing a falsy statement here. I will just continue doing it. Okay. Okay. All right, so now we're adding users, so let's accept that. Maybe we should work on, no, let's accept that. Trying to think where I should begin. All right, this is still dummy data, so maybe we should update this to actually pull the invitation information, right? We have invites, authentication. All right. So we're creating, update, remove lists, add account, remove. All right. Yeah, this is where this is when things get kind of messy, because now we're mixing contexts. Wonder if I really want to mix this. Hold on, let's just see imports, because I could possibly import the accounts, but I don't want to import all the members, right? I just want to import specific members or specific messages. Because I know if I import, it's most likely going to import the entire proto gen file or proto file. All right, what I'll do is I'm gonna continue down my current path, and if it gets a bit too messy, then I'll start refactoring and start like isolating different types, message types. So right now we're looking at accounts, which would be yeah, maybe it makes sense if I actually show this. Let me add this source real quick. Oh, this is gonna make things laggy, isn't it? Yeah, if I do that, it's gonna kind of get laggy. Let's try a different type. Oh, that's better. All right. Hide my face a little bit. All right. This can't be null. Organization always has to be populated. These are the ones that could be null. Let me just make sure. Account ID can be environment. I mean, that could essentially be null. count ID. That can't be null. That's the identifier. All right. All right, and this is our invitation. So what's up, Nightshade? Count invitation. Yeah, that's exact. Is that what I want to? No, that's not what I want to do. Hope everything's okay. All right, so we got that. I think we're looking for a left join. Yeah, I think left join is the way. Oh, that's good. That's good. Count ID. So I think past self actually thought about this. Activated on. I don't want to abstract this too much because I can see this causing a learning curve. How do I want to do this? Yeah, it's a gift and a curse. You left join the wrong thing, your query just times out. Yeah, for one of my client projects, dealing with like big data, just one inner join, one left join just causes everything to go extremely slow. I'm still trying to figure out how to like optimize it. Trying to move away from what the old developer did. Yeah, at first it was difficult, Journey. Yeah, it gets better, but things change so much, and a lot of developers use different paradigms. Like some developers, I'm against this, but use JSON within like their columns, and just to like open that JSON up and like read through that JSON adds so much overhead. So I've been trying to move away from nested JSON within like SQL type databases for the most part. Millions, maybe billion. Geez. Yeah, I think we're at 1 million. like millions of records, not a billion yet, but it could be intense right there. Project ID. It's all good. You can stay on YouTube. It don't matter. Yeah, I'm streaming to all these platforms right now, even Twitter, just to like experiment, try to see if I can get a bit more reach. I'm more of like co-working type esque stream. Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm trying to get to that point where I could easily query those amount of records, since there's like a lot of outdated paradigms in this database. $100 to 300K records. That's an intense amount. Activation. How do I want to do this? I mean, I could do this, right? You clean this up a bit. Activate it on. We want this normalized though. Email activated on organization. Byron, what? Yeah, I'm gonna have to add another layer, another inner join. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, there is. Oh. Vault. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I'm not sure if. Oh, it is. All right, cool. AI. Oh, let me clean this up. This is already becoming. as a, yep, that's fine. All right, so we're gonna do AI. I can't see that emoji. What's up? Oh, Al's Journey, welcome to the stream. Is that right? I think that's right. Should default to this email of, or the other way around. All right, yeah, that's the way we want it to work. So we're dealing with, yeah, we're gonna do this all through this actually. So we're gonna do account invitation, account access. Yeah, AI. Let's clean this up a bit. I feel like that guy from Home Improvement, the guy behind the fence. You only see his eyes, but in this case, you only see his mouth. This is account ID, so we want to first pull ID. If that doesn't exist, I'm thinking this is how it's gonna work. Hopefully it'll understand. Right, null. I'm assuming it's gonna, this is how it's gonna work. AI. Actually, all right, so we need account invitation project. This is backwards. Account control. No, AA. A lot of abbreviations here. My brain is like spazzing out. And now we want environment ID. And I think it's fine if this is null. Email, and then maybe add activated activated on. Yeah, okay. It's pretty normalized. Alright, cool. I think this is a good starting point. What we're gonna use. I just have to remember to always include I always have to make sure that the user in question is part of the invitation table if I want to display the status. I mean, I could fall back because once they're in. Let me think of a better way of doing this. If we're activated, then mouse end. I'm gonna do oh, my faults. Cool, then else. Okay, so when email is null, then we want to make sure I mean, really, it could be as simple as that. But okay, no. It's not gonna work. We'll start off with this and then we'll break it down, because essentially I want to make sure we're keeping the status of the user access granular, meaning if they get invited to, let's say, a specific project later on, that's active state is pertaining to that particular user access state and not everything. I don't know if I want to keep it here and just call a separate endpoint. It might just make sense to keep things clean, just call a separate endpoint. Sure, that won't cause any extra overhead. Yeah. I'm sure that didn't copy to my clipboard properly. Just gonna paste this here real quick. All right, so our account is going to be basic. It's going to be bring email 1, bring nation 1. It should always be populated. Optional, bring project ID. And then we have, this is wrong, ID, yeah, this is gonna be very, I don't know if I'm gonna keep that completely, being completely frank. Field number 1 already being used. Crap. Get account. Oh, did I get accounts requests? To oh. First, get accounts requests results response, get accounts response, and then we have status. We'll just error this out. Oh no, I messed up. Get accounts request. I'm gonna have to close this out again. Right all, quit, reload that. Right here. Whatever happened there just screwed everything up, though. Chrono. Why is Chrono here? Yeah, whatever happened there, let me yeah, whatever happened there is cursed. Let's fix that. Get accounts response, get account requests. Import struct, use crates, get account response. Didn't I just do that? I guess it removed it. All right, that was a bunch of bullark. Okay. Oh, where's the extra guy? Oh, right here. For now, we're just going to do organization ID. This is obviously going to change. Oh, yeah. Keep things consistent. I want to make sure I'm following the same paradigm in my other services. All right, yeah. Azure, Garage Pro, yep. This is actually not an account object. This is account access object, right? All right, we'll add it down here for now. This most likely will live in our identity service. I keep getting my languages confused. UID. Project ID. Query iterate. At this point, we don't know what this is. That's right. We need to do get, yeah. Email. So if we do okay, response, yeah, that's intentional. Oh no, don't tell me I... Yep. Yep. Build. Mismatch struct. That's fair. All right. Accounts. Let account equals default let's comment this out. Fair. No, that's what I want to do. Accounts. So this is not a mutable object. Okay. Email. Cool. Yeah, I already have all this. We're just gonna do So I don't need this just yet. I need this if I need to interpret it, and that's going to be in the identity service regardless. Okay. So we're querying the get accounts. This will take in organization, but it could also take in our project ID and our environment ID. And this is going to change the query accordingly. Environment ID. But this will definitely give us an error. So what I'll do if project ID is some, or no, we'll do if let some project ID see, this is where I wish I could actually make this parameter without causing trait issues. Let's try it out. Right. Do the same thing with environment. So you let params. Because I don't think inference happens properly if I do this, right? It would be awesome if we can infer the type at this point when I include it here. Right. Yeah, you see it. I mean, maybe if I revert back real quick. I always try this. Every single time I do this, I fail. You know, this is what it's expecting right here. Let's see. All right, we're closer, right? We add our organization ID. No errors just yet. Okay. I think we have something. Yeah, we don't need to borrow this. Cool. So if length I'm just shooting this shit right now. Not gonna work. Just, I feel it. I'm sure it doesn't have like an insert, right? I mean, what if I don't think an into will work properly. Let's try it out on. This is let test. It goes back. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. I feel like there's a easy solution to this. Yeah. Damn life cycles. See, Go would be a bit more forgiving right there. There's probably a way, I just don't know the way yet. I mean, it also isn't mutable, right? As ref. To be a mutable reference. So changing this to be a mutable reference, yeah, it obviously is, right? That is totally not a thing. Yeah, it sucks I can't just do this, honestly. I mean, I could think about this a different way. Because since those are optional fields, Postgres should be able to take it in as options, right? These are results. Or some else. Oh, damn. My brain is drawing blanks. I've done this before. Wait, right here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's project ID and then environment ID. Well, no, I want it the other way though. Yeah, let's revert that back. Yeah, we want it this way, right? So we wanna append to our work clause. Let's... Yeah, fair enough. I don't think you could do that though. Oh, yeah, it's... language specific, right? It's just simply push string push string. What? Yeah, I'm not wrong here. From string. Oh yeah, no, that's wrong. All right, I know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna make this a string. Probably overthinking this, honestly. Push string. There we go. All right. Okay. So what we're gonna do is and int ID equals three. Yeah, this is fine. Project 2. Oh, don't tell me. Does it not edit in place? I hope so. Environment ID. All right, that looks good. That should be fine. If any of those are popular, then we're gonna update our query based on those cases. And then we're gonna remap our object so we could return our results. Okay. Get account requests. Get accounts lists. Got email, organization, project ID. We're missing active. Active. All right. All right, fine by me. All right, so now we're gonna go test this out. So front end, I appreciate it. Try bros. All right, so front end, view, organization. Cool. So load projects, that's fine. So we're gonna just do a simple load accounts. That's organization ID. We don't need this anymore. This, that users. Oh wait, this, that organization service, get accounts. Oh, I'm gonna have to change this. It's the problem with working with two languages. Kind of org, view, org. Kind of mix them up a bit after a while. There we go. So users, we have any here. Account access, perfect. All right, we should be pulling that now properly. Actually, we shouldn't be pulling anything because we're not adding it. We're not passing it yet. I don't believe we are. Mark that. So when we're adding, we're inviting. Create invitation, or we're passing organization ID and project ID. Oh, we recently made the change. Okay. All right, fair enough. Let's add something then. Let's clear our database still. All right, cool. We are passing organization ID. So if we refresh this network, in theory, we should be pulling our accounts ready. No, that's the organization list. Here we go. Let's make sure it's valid though. No, it has projects. Oh, it's not gonna work because we're not even calling it yet. Front end. View org. We could go ahead and remove this now. Accounts. That's fair. Okay, we have an error here. All right, cool. Okay, so we need a column reference organization ID is ambiguous. Details. Got you. Okay. Makes sense. Taller. Yep. Totally get it. Same thing here. Actually, honestly, it should be... Oh. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to do this over there. Right, because we need to make sure we're matching the right values, and I have to do this also for project ID and okay. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay. Project ID. Organization ID. Actually, no, this is wrong. This is project ID. We're not here yet. We're not working with environments just yet, so I'm gonna keep that as is. All right, that should work fine. Sheesh. What a shame. All that for nothing. We'll rework that later. All right, let's test out this query real quick. Where equals our payload. I mean, it's valid. Cannot convert between Rust type string. Smaller. Oh, it's not there, it's down here. Okay. Gotcha. All right. That's probably should do the same thing for the other ones. Ring. We'll do the same thing for the other ones. Yeah, now I'm gonna have to keep it that way, unfortunately. Keep that like that. To string. Try and get. Brute forcing this to all hell right now. Why is this saying accounts? Some. Wait, if this is some, wait, try get an option? No, it's a result. Yeah, that's not gonna work. We'll try getting. This is Tokyo Postgres. We're gonna do, where are you? 12. Let's keep things a bit cleaner, right? All right. All right, perfect. So we are getting one element. We just have to map it now properly. Review. All right, cool. So access columns right here. So username is not the identifier this time, it's email. So that should be fine. Perfect. We also want to add active, status, false, may actually I think I do have that. I think I do have a pipe functionality in here already. Let's go back to columns. I mean, I could do it on the template level, right? We'll change this. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it in the backend. Already looks disgusting. All right. Active, status, string status. That should be fine. Go back to the front end. Get status. Organization service. $123. Yeah, that's fine. Oh no. Status. All right. Status, get status. Oh, I do have to change it in the database to status. Actually, no, we have to change it here. No, I did already. Status. Oh, no, I need to change it in our backend, in our front end. Okay. Cool. Some styling issues are occurring too. It should be flex direction end. Well, justify end. Okay, we're pending. All right. That took longer than expected. All right, I think I'm gonna call it for the day. I will be back tomorrow to wrap up the whole invitation process. Next stream we'll just focus on, you know, sending the link to an email and then initializing the activation upon clicking. We also need to allow them to create the accounts at that time, so we'll probably work on that as well. But I appreciate everyone for stopping by. Hope you guys enjoyed. See y'all tomorrow. Deuces.